streets of downtown Ensenada. It's like, what, 5:45 in the morning. The place is completely and totally flooded. I'm trying to get back to my hotel, but it's impossible. The garbage collector. Yeah, it's a double whammy. There's no way I can get back to my hotel. The water's 4 feet deep. Calling all vac trucks. Policia. Good thing I didn't try going around this truck. Go head on with Policia. This is totally unbelievable. I mean, the water is deep, deep. I'll let this guinea pig go first. No, he's not going either. I'm trying to find a back street where there's... Ah, here's one right here. It looks good. It's flatter up here. My hotel's down in a bowl, and it's just... the smell of racing fuel is in the air around here. Ah, you see, this guy's doing it. He knows where to go. He's doing the same thing I am. As I get to the back side of my hotel, I think I can park on dry ground and then walk to the place. I left there about 3 o'clock this morning. It was all sandbags. Yeah, I'm not going through that. No way in 1,000 years. There ain't no way I'm going through there. That guy lives here. If he breaks down, he's fine. I'm 1,500 miles from home. Or whatever. I tend to speak in broad generalizations. It's easier that way. There's just no way to get back there. I'm gonna have to park like a block away and walk. This is unbelievable, man. God, riding the Baja 1000 on a motorcycle. It's going to be an eventful race. There's Jose's Pharmacy. Everybody knows Jose's Pharmacy, right? These crazy assholes, they don't give a shit. Man, oh man. I've never seen rain down there like this before. Of course, what do I know? Almost nothing. I mean, you could come down here for sun and fun. Little Castillo jewelry. Ooh, sunglasses spot. Ray-Ban from China. Yeah, things are really changing down here too. Now, that's the first thing, these people selling stuff, that's the first thing they say. No made in China. Oh, fuck it, I'm going. I don't give a shit. Guy behind me's going too. Cacapasso. Oh shit, there's the cops. I'm gonna get my ass busted. Cacapasa. Yeah, I'm gonna have to park here. Of course, I can't walk through that water either. Let's watch this idiot. Watch. What a fucking spastic. Well, at least he slowed down. Yeah, he don't give a shit. Oh, I guess he does give a shit. Yeah, fuck, I'm not going through there in this car. No fucking way, man. Jesus Christ. Yeah, only a fool would drive through there. Guess I should have been smart and stayed at the Holiday Inn Express. They were smart when they built that. See how they elevated the pad before they built the place? Someone told them, yeah, this area is prone to flooding. Shit, man. I'm not walking through that water either. You missed a spot, dude. Wish I could say that in Spanish. I mean, I don't even know why I'm going down here. Because I know I can't drive through there. My hotel's over there where those red lights are. Can't drive, can't walk. I could drive on the sidewalk now, that's an idea. I've done that many times before. I'm gonna watch these people come through here. There is just no way to get back to my hotel. Jesus Christ. I gotta get over there where those headlights are. I'm gonna go around somehow. I've been looking forever for a street. That guy's gonna drive his car through there. Oh, his headlights are underwater. Holy shit, dude. You're done, man. Yep. That's why we... Shit. It's okay, lady. Stay. He wants the garbage truck to push him out of the water. Man.